I'm super excited to tell you something that was such a discovery to me. I have been doing stool tests for my patients for a long time now, and sometimes I get these strange bacteria that show up and we don't know where it's coming from. We found one of the sources. So a study was just done about microwaves and how it can harbor bacteria that can get into your food. I know, it's shocking. And the one bacteria that we're finding is called Klebsiella. And we're seeing that on lab tests. How would we know that Klebsiella that we found in our patients have anything to do with microwaves? Well, the studies show that one of the main bacteria that gets into your food from a dirty microwave is Klebsiella. And so that's where we're making the connection. It's not a guarantee that that's where it's coming from, but it certainly could be. So what we can do to prevent this is to clean our microwaves really well, continuously. You can put baking soda in and lemon in and run it in some water and clean it. There's tutorials online of how to clean your microwave. Use those tutorials to clean them in a healthy way. Don't put bleach in your microwave. You're not using bleach to kill off things, because then that's going to get into our food. We don't want that. What we want to do is a really clean and tidy microwave so the bacteria that grows doesn't get into our food.